gone green?
Soldiers are coming out.
Do we know why it's gone green?
Because soldiers. Oh, why to run through these holes?
You're a wild toy running through these halls. Sarge says.
He was like this.
Did he? Oh yeah. He is moving.
Forward march! Well, hello there, everyone. Look alive, gentlemen. We have company. Greetings.
They're over there, Kate.
Boom! Hello there. How do you do? We are the Green Army Patrol.
What's in my boots?
The plastic.
Gentlemen, fall in. Show them what we practiced. Yeah. Very good. All right then.
Do they see?
No, we cut that. No. What are you doing?
How can they see through their glasses?
Practice, right. Company, halt. Patrol, at ease. The Green Army Patrol needs you. Do you have what it takes to join the finest platoon in the toy box? Woo! That's what I like to hear. Fall in, recruits.
Go.
That means get in line. Move it, move it.
We're here for this.
Fall in, patrol. Come, join us in the training sector. The Green Army Patrol does welcome toys of all ages. Greetings, new recruits. My name is Sarge, and we are Green Army Patrol. All right. We're on a recon mission here in Sector 4 in search of the missing blue crayon. Now, it is the duty of the Green Army Patrol to find said crayon and return it to the toy box. It is your mission today to help us locate this missing crayon. But first, recruits, you need to know some basics. If you're ready to begin, let me hear a Sarge, yes, Sarge!
Sarge, yes, Sarge!
I said, let me hear a Sarge, yes, Sarge!
Sarge, yes, Sarge!
That's what I like to hear.
Sarge, yes!
As you can see, our patrol is a few monkeys short of a barrel, and we'll need your assistance in locating that missing crayon. Now, Trooper, can you tell our new recruits the color of that missing blue crayon? The Addies, you'll hurt yourself. New recruits, can you tell our friend here the color of that missing crayon? Blue! Affirmative. Excellent work. I think you have a lot of potential. We'll begin by following orders. If I say Sarge says, then you do what I say next. But if I don't say Sarge says, then you don't do it. If I say Sarge says salute, then you would... Not yet, we haven't started. As you were. If I say Sarge says attention, then you would... Not yet! Not yet. If I say Sarge says then you would Get it?
Got it.
Good. Patrol, are you ready? Sarge says attention. Sarge says salute. Sarge says present arms. Sarge says present legs. Sarge says present elbows. Now to the rear. I didn't say Sarge says. About face, Trooper. Trooper, about face.
You didn't say Sarge says Sarge.
But Sarge says about face. No. Sarge says face forward. Oh, you two would need instructions for a baby rattle. Moving on. Sarge says present heads. Sarge says present shoulders. Sarge says repeat. Head.
Head.
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
Knees.
Knees.
Toes.
toes.
Sarge says head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Very good. No! Enough! Head, shoulders, knees, Sarge says hold. That's better. You're doing great, recruits. Time to pick up the pace. Sarge says salute. Sarge says at ease. 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 Salute. Not too bad. You're doing great, recruits. Now, an important part of our mission to locate the missing blue crayon is the ability to freeze in an approved Green Army Patrol position. This ensures our safety whenever a parental unit is near. Now, we will demonstrate some of these approved positions, starting with the red alert. Patrol, Sarge says show them the red alert. New recruits, Sarge says let's see your red alert. Very good. At ease. Sarge says at ease. Now, the next approved Green Army Patrol position is the sprinting soldier. Troopers, Sarge says do the sprinting soldier. New recruits, your turn. Sarge says do the sprinting soldier. Sarge says don't move a muscle. Sarge says at ease. Now, the final approved Green Army Patrol position is the lookout. New recruits. Are you paying attention? Yes. Good. Troopers, Sarge says show them the lookout. Your turn, new recruits. Sarge says do the lookout. Sarge says it's not required to get on the floor. What do you see? Good observation. The sun? Where?
Really closely. Mine can see through things.
There's a special unit for you. Sarge says at ease. Very good, recruits. Now, you will hear music. When the music starts, you will execute highly coordinated dance moves. And when the music stops, you will freeze in one of these approved Green Army Patrol positions. Get it?
Got it.
Got it.
Good. Are you ready? Sarge says salute if you're ready. Let the drill commence. Sarge says dance.
They're dancing.
All right. When the music stops, you will face me and freeze in the red alert. In 3, 2, 1. Sarge says freeze in the red alert. You're sticking to that one? I like your commitment. Sarge says keep dancing. All right, now recruits, you will face me and freeze in the sprinting soldier. In 3, 2, 1. Sarge says freeze. Sarge says keep dancing. Robot! Very good. Now, new recruits, you will face me and freeze in the lookout. In 3, 2, 1, Sarge says freeze!
See through the sky.
We know.
Sarge,
What?
look up here.
Holy smokes. Sarge says about face. What is that?
Blue crayon.
Affirmative! Excellent work, recruits! You've done it. Congratulations! You have found the missing blue crayon and proven yourselves worthy to join the finest platoon in the box, the Green Army. Now!
The Green Army Patrol.
Now it is time to join the ranks of Green Army Patrol members. Sarge says, raise your right hand. That'll do too. And repeat after me.
After me.
I state your name.
State your name.
Solemnly swear to uphold the laws of the toy box.
Solemnly swear to uphold the laws of the toy box.
Protect all toys.
Protect all toys.
And play big in Andy's room.
And play big in Andy's room.
Congratulations. You are now honorary members of the Green Army Patrol. I think we should commemorate this moment. Parental units, prepare your photographic equipment. New recruits, fall in.
Make a line.
Go, go, go.
Let's get over here. Very good.
Which one do we look at?
Wait, can I get in it? That's why I came here.
Mission accomplished.
I came here for myself. I got it.
Did you just take pictures of random children?
That too.
We have a different platoon for that. Sarge says at ease, recruits. Excellent work. You may return to your family units. Keep your eye out for anything around this toy box.
Yeah, good fun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.